Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody guys, today we will take a look at the euro currency again. So as you can see, market is waking up from the long holidays. You can see that our price right now is continuing upward action. So our suggestion that maybe some at least technical respect of the 127 extension of the butterfly could happen on Monday, on Tuesday. So, but as you can see, that hasn't happened and market just is continuing move higher. It means that hardly any significant retracement will start until market will hit the final major target on the daily chart. This will be an area around 121.15, 121.25 approximately. That will be a very important point. On the euro currency, this is, as you can see, will be a 1618 extension of the butterfly. And we have final leg of this A, B, C equal D pattern. And as you can see, CD leg is taking the shape of the butterfly. So also it will be a B, CD target. So it's OP, destination point, objective point. The major point for any ABCD patterns, CB equals CD leg, will be completed here. You can see that pattern relatively harmonic. So yes, here is some acceleration we see, but it's not really dramatic. It's also previous top stems here. So this will be wash and rinse. And take a look. This will be accompanied by the daily overbought. So currently market is not at the overbought. It has the free space to continue move higher. And this respect of the 127 of the butterfly, also as you remember, 1970 was the COP target. It's a minor 618 extension of A, B, C, D pattern. So also was disrespected and market just continue move higher. So that's why it seems that indeed another minor action should happen here, so it's less than the 100 pips to this area. And major retracement probably will start from here. At least by technical picture, the chances for that is very, very significant. Besides, as you can see, our hand shoulders pattern here, some kind of the hand shoulders also, this will be completion of this pattern because this actually ABCD, it's target of the hand shoulders. That will be the final target on the this daily picture. Other targets stand on the weekly chart, on the monthly. If you remember, in a week, in the weekend, we have estimated the chain, consecutive chain of the targets to the upside. So on the daily, this will be 2130. Next target will be already on the weekly chart, and it will stand at above the 2230 area. So, but right now we will be watching for this level. Besides, guys, if you'll take a look at the dollar index, you will see the same story there. So I will show you on the daily chart of the dollar index what we have. Here we also have clear and very important pattern. It's regardless cheaper to buy. AB and CD leg is very harmonic. As you can see, the same speed of the dropping here and here. And it also suggests some further downward action. So market hasn't quite reached the target as well. So it will be somewhere around 91.20, 91.17. This will be the destination point. This action, in fact, guys, brings nothing dramatic because this bounce was the first after long-term drop on the dollar index. That's why here we have the deep retracement. I will not be surprised if even market will show here some new lows. Although I hope that some reaction on this pattern will happen because it's very good trading setup is forming. And we definitely should use it because it's not very often you will see on the daily chart so perfect and clear patterns forming. But here, as we have talked about the possible reversal on the dollar index around this area, we should be extra careful with this pattern because real reversal could start here, some real reaction on this pattern, or maybe market will show even a bit lower lows compared to this one. but this demands analysis on the monthly chart to explain you definitely what is going on in the dollar index. Right now, in relation to the euro currency and the daily trading setups, the thing that's really important is that take a look that here market still also have some potential to the downside action and also suggest some downward continuation. And as the mirror to the dollar index on the euro currency, will also expect here some upward continuation, minor upward continuation. By taking a look at the hourly chart, here we see simultaneously two potential patterns. First one is already stands in place. This is some kind of the pennant pattern, that is upward continuation pattern, as you know. And inside of the pennant, some butterfly could be formed. So it's upward breakout. It's 1618 extension of this pattern stands at 121.15. So this extension, pips to pips, coincides with the 1618 extension of this butterfly. It's also 121.15. It's daily butterfly. The OP target stands slightly higher, guys. So just the 10 pips high, so approximately 25, 121.25 area. But taking a look that in this upward action, market will take out of the stop. It means that stops that have been placed here will be triggered and be prepared to some possible spike of this area. So maybe market will, by inertia, by the just triggering of the stops, could show some a bit higher action and complete these targets. So that's what we expect to see within the nearest trading session on the euro currency. So if you are keeping longs, you could keep them till this area. Just watch what will happen around this area and think about the taking at least part of your profit this area, because as I said, in relation to the dollar index, really brings significant chances on the starting retracement here. If you do not have longs, well, you should either wait for the retracement here out from this area, or if you would like to take the scalp trade, you could use the consolidation inside of the pennant trend to take in long position with the stops below these lows, just to keep the validity of the butterfly and the target around the same 121.15 area. So that's also could be opportunity to trying to take the small trade right at the top, because overall technical picture still suggests that this action probably will happen based on the factors that we have just discussed in the beginning of the videos. Market has disrespected important targets. So that's what we see right now in the euro currency. So you can see current stance in general in a positive mood. Let's see what will happen today and what reaction market will show to the completion of this target around 121.20 area.